Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to order a cab using the G7 Taxi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So as you can see, your current position is already set, and then you have to choose a destination, and you can choose to order the cab now or later. So if you click on the later button, then you can choose the exact time when you want the cab. But if you want it right now, and after you set the passengers, of course, so the number of people traveling with you, then just click on the now button. And as you can see here, you can choose from all these vehicles. So you can choose to drive with simple or hybrid or electric vehicle, or you can choose options if you have a baby, for example, or a bike with you. So now just click on the one that you want to travel with, and then click on the confirm the order button, and you're ready to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.